We touch things every day, all day. Good things, bad things, dirty things, and whatever that thing is. And all that touching leads to germ spreading. The average person touches their face 500 to 1,000 times a day. Wouldn't it be nice to have a quick, easy way to sanitize your everyday things? Deep Purple by Moshi is the world's first ultra-thin, foldable, portable sanitizer. By using the UVC LED lights, Deep Purple sanitizes all your personal accessories from 99.9% of viruses and contaminants in just 4 quick minutes. Use it at work, at a restaurant, on your commute, at home, or anywhere you are. In addition to being ultra-thin, Deep Purple is the first sanitizer to have a full 360-degree clean at once. No need to flip your objects to clean the bottom side. It's the internal reflective design and built-in LumiClear platform lifts your items off the base so they can get fully sanitized from top to bottom every time. And best of all, when you are done, simply fold the origami base design down flat and tuck it away. It's that simple. Deep Purple uses UVC LED lights instead of lamps, which means they will last for ages. Truly, you could use Deep Purple 10 times every single day, and the LED lights would last for more than 10 years. Plus, Deep Purple's safe design doesn't carry the risks of other sanitation devices. Deep Purple doesn't contain any mercury, and it is built with 2 fail-safes to protect you at all times. As we all begin moving forward in this new way of life, we have to reduce our germ exposure. It's hard when face masks are necessary, but so many end up in landfills. We need to be germ-conscious while still decreasing our environmental impact. Easy, safe, and super portable way to do just that. Help us give you the peace of mind you deserve in your daily life. Please, back us today.